Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to install Jupyter Notebook on Windows 11. First, we need to download Python. For your convenience, I have added links to all the websites down in the description below. When you're at the Python website, click on Downloads and then select Windows. From here, download the latest Python 3 release. Scroll down and choose the Windows Installer 64-bit option. Once the download is complete, run the installer. Make sure to check the option to add Python to the path before clicking Install Now. Once the installation finishes, close the installer. Next, we need to open the Windows terminal. In the terminal, we'll verify that Python was installed correctly by checking the version. Type Python version. You should see the latest version that we just installed. Now we'll use pip to install Jupyter. In the terminal, type pip install Jupyter. Jupyter Notebook will start installing. Once it's done, we're ready to use it. Let's create a workspace folder on the desktop for our Python projects. Open this folder, then right-click and choose Open in Terminal. In the terminal, type Jupyter Notebook to start the notebook. The Jupyter Notebook interface will open in your browser. Click New and choose Python 3 to create a new notebook. You can now name your notebook and it will appear in your workspace folder. Let's test it by running a command. Type something simple in a cell, then run it by either clicking the arrow button or pressing Ctrl plus Enter on your keyboard. You should see the result immediately. If this video helped you out, make sure to join the Show Me Software free newsletter. It's linked in the description below. In this newsletter, I will tell you about the latest software tools and AI that can make you more productive at work and also improve your personal life in many different ways. You can also reply to these emails with any technical support questions you might have, and I'll do my best to help you out for free. This newsletter is completely free and will always be free. So click the link in the description to sign up.